My name's Matt Keightley, I'm the designer of the RHS Feel Good Garden, and it's all to do with promoting health and wellbeing through horticulture. This is the perfect platform to implement certain design principles that will illustrate exactly how we can reduce stress, reduce anxiety, and help improve just general health and wellbeing.
Really, we want the world to know more about how gardening is great for you, and whether it's for physical health of actually getting out there in the fresh air and gardening and enjoying these beautiful plants, or it's for mental health, that when you come home from work and you're feeling stressed, you can just come out to this beautiful quiet area.
1 in 4 people are suffering from mental health issues, and what we've got to look is at some form of social prescribing or preventative healthcare system. Now, horticulture isn't going to resolve everything, but it will give a lot of opportunity to actually heal people even before they get to doctors.
The RHS have for some time been very interested in the therapeutic benefits of gardens and gardening. At the same time, the NHS, we've become very interested in the role of gardening and gardens too. So in this 70th year of the NHS, we've just come together and we've planned out what we can do collaboratively, looking at the idea that Matt Keightley might be able to design a garden that could be given to a mental health trust.
We were looking for a designer that we knew and understood the way people respond to plants.
And I said, I really want a young designer who has an open mind to work with a scientist, which is quite tricky at times because I'm very structured, empirical, and the art's very creative. But when you bring it together, it creates a real strength.
More and more in my work, I'm thinking about not just how a garden looks, but how it can be used to relax people, relieve stress and anxiety, and break everyday thought processes. What's great about the garden is, after Chelsea, it lives on, and it lives on somewhere significant. It's going to have an incredible legacy. Now, the NHS were invited to enter a competition with their mental health trusts to win the space. And what was phenomenal was 3/4 of the UK's mental health trusts entered, which I think just goes to show just how important gardens are and how crucial they are to recovery, to health and well-being.
I think this is just the seeds of something really unusual, and it's going to give a much bigger emphasis to us helping people with mental health problems do things that are very ordinary and very pleasurable, which we also know is going to do them good.